Hello everyone, welcome back to RegisterKaro, and today we'll talk about how to start a construction business in India. From picking your niche to winning your first project. So let's get started. So why construction? It contributes nearly 9% of India's GDP, driven by Smart Cities mission, housing for all, and booming real estate, and tier 2 and 3 markets opening huge new opportunities. So first of all, choose your niche. Construction isn't one size fits all. Pick the segment you know the best. Residential, commercial, industrial, renovation, or specialized services. Now the market research. Study the regional demand, metro versus tier cities. Track upcoming projects and government tenders. Analyze competitors' pricing and services. Evaluate the labor cost and the material availability, and choose a strategic office location. Now choose your business plan. A solid plan gets you funded and keeps you on track. Executive summary and vision, market analysis and target customers, services offered and workflows, financial projections, marketing and positioning. Now set up operations. Professional office with project management software, essential equipments, reliable material suppliers, safety protocols and quality controls, and robust document management. Next step, build your team. Your crew makes or breaks every project. Project managers and site engineers, skilled workers like carpenters, electricians, etc., safety officer and QC inspectors, admin and account staff. And the compliance includes PF and ESI benefits, employment contracts, and safety training and PPE. Next comes the marketing and the business development. Reputation and referrals drive construction. Professional website plus portfolios, join builder associations, network with architects and the developers, bid on government tenders, and showcase projects on social media. And there you have it, the complete roadmap to how to start a construction business in India. For templates, licensing and financial help, visit registerkaro.in for a free expert consultation today. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.